All right, so you saw we left it in for 30 minutes and it got cleaner, but not super clean. So we did the exact same thing, maybe put a little bit more vinegar, put a little bit more salt, and left it in for a little longer. And now we're gonna rinse it out again. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna dump it, not let our penny go down the sink. What do you think? Oh, that's stinky vinegar. I use my little sponge here, get it even cleaner. What do you think? Should we put it next to the other one to see? All right, Maya, go take it over here. Go put it right there. It's right next to it.
It's not that clean.
It's not that clean, but it does look cleaner. Hold on. Here, come back. I don't know. It said a shiny clean penny. It says penny looks brand new. I say we write on here, nope. Nope, that's science for you. Sometimes it works, sometimes not so much. Maybe our penny was just too stinking dirty. All right, try it at home. And if you do, send me a video. All right, bye.